Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. One of the most important things when you are creating this slide is that sometimes you maybe need to create a table. What you should do. Okay, we create here our background and here use our input that we have here. We just simply copy that and here paste it in the background from the clipboard. Now we have it. Think we need a table in our presentation. For example, let's say it's lots of table. We need a, let's say here, a 4 by 3 table. Okay, we have it here. We bring it down. At first, we need to create a table slide here and write the table here, table. This font is good and the color I'm going to use is white and the font is good. Now I need to align it center and just increase it in size. But the colors are not from the colors we choose to use. We have this color that I'm going to use here. For using the color, I just copy the samples here, paste them here. I just simply going here to table design. For the shading, we are going to use this color. I drop this color. Let me just this color and this color and also this color. And for this thing, I'm going to use the pure white because I think the best thing for them is white. Now, I need to add some sort of differences here. I'm going to use this color here. But with a little different. I'm going to set the transparency to something low. But the problem here is that when the background is not white, the transparency is not working as the way I like. Because of that, I simply create a rectangle and send it to back and color it. After coloring it white, I'm going to create this thing. Let me just color them up. I need to color them another color. Let me just use the color. Sorry, I create a mistake. After I coloring them up, I'm going to change the transparency to this much. And then I'm going to use the white as the last color. And then for the table line, I'm going to go with all border. I'm going to go with all the border. You can draw the border from here. Sorry, I done some mistake. Let me just color the border I need. Okay, I'm done creating them. Now let me just simply cut them and try to complete this thing in the next video. Until then, have a nice